Good afternoon, students. Welcome to Streamera AS Academy. Today, I'll just introduce a small concept called the wheel of ignorance proposed by John Rawls. John Rawls is considered to be a very famous modern political thinker who has adopted philosophical approach. Adoption of a philosophical approach in this era of science is considered to be a very honorable exception. John Rawls used the philosophical approach to arrive at his theory of justice. Justice, according to John Rawls, is the first principle in constructing or organizing societies. If there is no proper principle of justice which guides the construction of societies, societies would definitely experience conflict and chaos. According to John Rawls, today's society has such high levels of conflict primarily because there is no universally accepted principle of justice. That's because to arrive at a universal principle of justice, what is required is that all the people should accept that principle. It should be universally acceptable. So, for all the people to accept a principle of justice, it requires that all people should begin to think from what he calls as an original position. If everybody begins to think from their present position, if everybody begins to think from their present socio-economic and political context, then it becomes very difficult for all the people to agree upon a principle of justice. For example, one section of society may support reservations, the other section of society may oppose reservations. Both the sections of society are looking at the idea of reservations from two different positions. So, if you want to come out with a principle of justice, the different positions of these two sections of society should be first nullified. All the people should be able to think from one single original position. Then probably we can understand the justice behind the principle of justice or some other principle like positive discrimination. This original position, according to John Rawls, requires people to put themselves behind a wheel of ignorance. That is, the people should be completely cut off from their socio-economic political contexts. They should be completely unaware of their economic situation, of their social situation, or of their political standing. They should be completely unaware of their position in the society. They should put themselves behind the wheel of ignorance, forgetting their context, their social status or social conditions, their economic situation or their political standing, and then the people should begin to negotiate among themselves as rational negotiators to arrive at a principle of justice. Then, according to John Rawls, every individual will start thinking, negotiating, and start understanding the need for a principle of justice without being conditioned or limited by his social, economic, and political situation. This is his wheel of ignorance.